Hey guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's update from our team. We want to first, as always, start off by congratulating a little bit of gratitude. Congratulations to Christian and Aimme for purchasing a new home, new construction. So it was just built. They're the first owners, so it's exciting. The Beast was used by them, so congratulations on that. And that's actually great. Anytime we get a call from some of our past clients or friends that, hey, we saw the truck. So we got two families that actually saw the truck on the move. So again, congratulations. We also want to share about our Easter event that we're having. Details will soon follow, so please keep that in mind on your radar. First week of April, so we're excited to that. Next is that we have a homebuyer workshop that's coming on Thursday. We have an ADU workshop. If you don't know what an ADU is, make sure you jump on. It's a great opportunity, again, to help offset your cost of your mortgage, maybe create some rental income within your home or even a rental that you might have. And then what else? Finally, what we wanted to share is this new thing that Kathy from our team asked me to do, which is what did I learn this week, right? Or what are some new things that I'd like to share? And really, the thing that really came to mind is when I was putting Camila to sleep yesterday is that, we always have a plan until we don't have a plan, right? Yesterday, the plan was to put Camila to bed in 15 minutes. Camila's plan wasn't to be put in bed in 15 minutes. So with that being said, the goal was always to kind of regroup and keep at it. And really that's what this message is. It doesn't matter if you have a plan, if things don't go the way you want, just keep at it. And at the end, you'll get to where it is that you want to go. With that being said, have a great week. Looking forward to hopefully connecting with you in the near future. And we'll see you soon.